Yo, what's up, guys? We are Jets. I'm Jets Alex.
I'm just Don.
So we are the channel who talk about streetwear, sneaker unboxing, some music. Yeah. So if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. And then if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel.
Intro.
Intro. Yo, so what we have today for unboxing?
Don't know.
Don't know. You never prepare anything.
Okay. 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 Before we start, okay, we are going to do a giveaway. So you can see this thing. What's this?
Supreme.
Supreme. We're going to give away one Supreme item. So what is it about inside? So you can check out our Instagram, our Jack's Instagram, my Dylan Instagram. You will know it.
Yeah.
Okay. So
how to win that thing? Just wanna check it out.
you can check it out at the Instagram.
Okay.
Yes.
Go check it out.
Okay. So
what we have today? Is you prepared?
oh, okay. So today we're going to unbox something new. We never unbox this, right?
We never ever unboxing
Adidas
Yeezy.
brand. No, right?
Yeah,
Adidas brand. Never, right? Even though anything from Adidas.
No.
This is first time
First time ever unboxing. Yeah.
Adidas brand thing. So you can see this clearly. You know what it is?
350.
354 Yeezy 350.
Yeah, Yeezy Boost 350. Let's get it.
Open, bro.
No, first we show the box first. You have the 350 in the front.
Boost.
Then you have this.
Yes.
And then this. So what size is this?
This is my size again. I buy everything my size.
Okay, but I cannot. I don't know what model is this.
This one is 354, the latest best 3. The region 3 region colorway.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, 3 region colorway.
Good.
This one is the one released in Asia.
Okay.
This
Inside
one,
the box.
yes.
Nothing.
Same lah, nothing.
Receipt?
Yes.
Okay, so.
Okay.
Wow.
Mine. Okay. So, what do you think?
Okay.
First impression.
Nice. So slimy, greeny.
Yes, a bit
It's
green.
like white,
orange.
a bit white, a lot of white and a bit of green. Something like, no?
Okay. Short story for this.
Okay.
This shoe created by Kanye West.
Okay.
A very famous rapper, which is a good friend of Virgil.
Okay.
Okay, so they released this in 3 colorway. They make it 3 region.
I know, this one is the Asia one.
Yes, this one is the Asian version.
So it's like for Asia, like China and all this.
Japan and things.
Australia.
But yeah, Australia also released this colorway.
Okay.
And they got the other one is Clay. Clay is released at I'm not sure South and where that area.
South America?
No. I'm not sure. Okay. Then the other one is what color? True Form. True Form is released at America also, and also what's that country? Africa.
Ah.
That area lah. So it's like the whole map is like this, right? Then here is the Clay, middle is the True Form, then the
Hyperspace.
Hyperspace is at Asia here. Okay, so you can see at here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put a picture up there.
Yes. So
speaking of all this material, I mean like the quality of the shoe. The first thing I can see, right, because I used to own one of the Yeezy.
yes,
I think I own one called Blue Tin, I think.
routine, yes.
So I can see the different things is on this the knit.
We
Is it?
consider the not swoosh.
Yeah.
Everyday swoosh day, you know.
Yeah,
this one
yeah.
is the stripe. The stripe.
This is the stripe.
Yes.
But the thing is, I think they changed the pattern of the knit already. Because last time the knit is not this pattern.
Really, man?
Yes,
I don't know.
seriously. Maybe we can check it.
Okay.
The blue tin one
Okay.
and this one.
And this one.
So what I know lah, for these new things. Actually, the what you call it?
Boost.
Yeah, the boost is still the same, but the sole.
This color is a bit similar as the first batch of Zebra.
Oh.
First batch of Zebra also have this color of this yellowish color of the outsole.
But but if we compare with the what you call that, the Yeezy Boost 350 Sesame. Sesame is a bit darker one.
That one is considered gum sole already.
Yeah,
this one
is
is not gum sole.
I think this is actually also a gum sole, but it's a lighter one. Actually, this one is a gum sole, but it's a lighter than the Sesame one.
And the colorway of the whole shoe is a little bit butter, little bit near butter, between butter and blue tint.
Actually, yeah.
A lot of people confused about this color.
Because actually you can see on the knit, right? There's white inside and a little bit of green also. You can see that?
Pale green.
Yeah, it's like, you know, one side white, one side green.
Within blue tint and butter.
Yeah.
So it's,
wow,
I don't know.
This colorway is like seriously.
Yeah, we try to subscribe the color as close as we know, but we try our best.
Yeah.
But the best thing is the transparent. This is a transparent.
What they call it is a translucent.
Translucent, yes.
Translucent.
It's quality.
So basically,
this one is
you can see through inside actually.
Orange.
This one is like yellow or brown. I think it's brown.
I don't know lah. They are smart on making colors that we don't know how to subscribe.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, like, because Yeezy Boost like Kanye, they always design all this shoe right with all this weird color, but came out but still look good.
Oh yeah, I don't know why. Even though before release we see, wow, this colorway.
Yeah.
How, bro? How?
Especially the clay and all the both lah. I mean like the both, but
true form.
At first I think it's like I don't really get the colorway. I mean I don't really get the point of it. But after I see a lot of picture of it, I think it's quite okay for me already actually.
But when I get the shoe for the first time, it's like, not bad leh.
It's really not bad.
Even though I'm not an Adidas Yeezy fan.
I'm a Yeezy fan, so I know. Especially and this thing is like nearly white, right? So like when we outfit it, so it's like look bright at the shoe. So for this transparent part, I think there's a good way to style because like maybe nowadays we are trending with this you know, like bright color stockings, long socks.
Yeah.
So when you like wear the infrared color or this and that,
you can see here.
Got
plenty of sample here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, I think the back thing is also different actually.
Similar lah. This thing. They're getting more and more quality now. I can see the quality.
No, they used to have this white, the color dot one, right? But you see, this one is all white one. Yeah.
So as for this retail price, as we know, same 990 ringgit.
990 ringgit Malaysia.
Here, and the resale for now. What's the date today?
Today is 20.
20, right? We film it 20. Is already 1,700. Resale.
1,700.
Yes. This is I consider quite high for Yeezy resale.
Quite high already.
Quite high.
But they are highest one lah. They are highest out there also.
This one is the three. You can consider 3 color is the most current trend and highest lah. Okay, but you compare to the Black Friday, those one, still cannot compare.
Yeah.
So how do you rate this?
Overall, I quite like this shoe. If actually I already have one Yeezy already, so if I don't have that one, I would get this one.
Rate lah.
Definitely get this one.
Rate lah.
Yeah, I was talking about the feeling first.
Okay, rate.
So how much I will rate this shoe? Quite high actually. 9.
9
9.
Rate Yeezy for 9 leh, this guy.
I'm a Yeezy fan.
9.
I'm a fan.
For me, if compared to normal Yeezy lah, I only rate 5. This
Why?
one can hit like 6.5 for me.
6.5.
Because
Okay.
of the transparent thing.
But
Get 1.5 more.
6.5, man.
Yeah.
How can you? Because he's a Jordan fans. I'm a Yeezy
If,
fan.
okay,
so
we don't
different.
say about Jordan fans now. Okay, I know this thing like the 5 is because of the comfy of the shoe. Then the
Definitely.
1.5 is for the swoosh. No, swoosh. You see
The transparent.
the transparent stripe. Okay, so that is why it's 6.5.
Okay.
Okay, because this
that's
thing
a-
is not much. Don't have any story, right?
Not much story.
No, tell me now what
Then
story got.
Not much different.
Not much different. They're making the quality different.
Just
the
they
neat.
change the knit and the
neat
color, and the transparent.
That's all.
Nothing much.
Yeah, it's very generous. Yeah, give 6.5.
Okay lah.
Can.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think this is all of our video. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button, and please remember to click the notification button.
Share to your friends, family, atong, ama, who don't know. I don't know you don't know me. Like that.
Yeah. Yes. And for the giveaway, please remember go to this place, go and check it out. Okay. We see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.